this. And we need some of these, and we'll mix it with this, and it's gonna go like that.
We might have to solder it. No.
Furthermore, we will maintain connected with the secure invice. Left.
Bro, you see the video for
Turn right. Also, I'm probably gonna have to add more of a, or make my parameters smaller.
For this thing to work, it needs to float in the water. So we needed to find the mass that this would have to be so that it could float in the water. So we used the density equation, and we got that had to be about 963 grams.